Hi, good morning. I missed you all. I hope you all had an amazing, relaxed, and hygienic vacation. So, what are we here today for? You all know me, most of my kids know me. I am Neha, and you will be seeing all other teachers who are going to have this learning, which is known as at home learning. So, let's get started. Today, this is math. So today in math, we are going to revise fractions. We already know what fractions are and create some music out of it. So let's get started. Okay, so for this, you are going to need some glasses. Total 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And a spoon. It could be a steel spoon or a plastic one. I've taken a plastic one. And some water. So I have put a bit of color in this, which is turmeric, and I've made it look like a colored water. Okay. What are we going to do is we need to fill all these glasses, but there's a way to fill. If you see carefully, I have divided all the glasses. Look at them very carefully. I've divided all the glasses. I've divided them into 8 parts. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I've divided them into 8 equal parts. Now, when I divide something into 8 equal parts, that means the denominator should be, yes, that's correct. It should be 8. The denominator should be 8. Now, my numerator is going to tell me how much water is filled in each glasses. So let's proceed. Let's take the first glass. I am going to fill this glass with 1 part of water. How much? 1 part of water. That is 1 part out of 8 parts. So my fraction for that will be 1 by 8 because 1 part of glass is filled out of 8 parts. So my fraction for this is 1 by 8. Let's fill this. Please know that you need to have your parent or some elder next to you when you are doing this. It's glasses after all. We don't want to break them. Is it filled? Should I stop? Yes, I think I'm done. So I filled 1 part of this glass. Now the next glass, I'm going to fill it with 2 parts of water. With 2 parts. Now tell me what will be the numerator and what will be the denominator. The denominator tells us the total number, which is 8. And the numerator is the parts filled. So here it is, 2 by 8. This glass is going to have 2 parts of water filled. Let's start doing that. Okay, this is my 1 part. And my second part, am I done? Looks like I'm done. Now, we are going to fill all these glasses. So the next glass is going to be 3 parts of water, which is my fraction will look like. Do you want to guess? I'm sure you know by now. If this is 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8. So my 3 parts is going to be, ta-da, 3 by 8. My fraction is 3 by 8. So let's fill this too. Am I done over here? No, my 2 parts. And this is, yes, I stop. And That is how my 3 parts are filled with water. So I'm going to fill all of them. This is going to be 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8 and 8 by 8. So as you can see, I filled all the glasses. This is 3 by 8. The next one is 4 by 8. If you see it carefully, it is actually the half. 4 by 8 is also half. The next one is filled 5 by 8. The next one is filled 6 by 8. Seven by 8, that is 7 parts out of 8 parts. And the last is 8 by 8. 8 by 8 is also whole. So that is the full glass is filled. Now, to create some music and have some fun, take the spoon in your hand and tap the glasses. Can you hear that? Now, listen to this.